How to share location on Google Maps permanently? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can share your location here in Google Maps, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically, here I have my map and my location. As you can see, here I have a blue dot in the middle of the screen. You just have to tap in that blue dot and you're going to be able to get some more options. So at the bottom of your screen, you have the option share location. If I tap there, I'm going to stay connected, continue, and here I have two different options at the beginning of my share location. Okay, so I can set this to share my location for 8-10 hours or even more. The top of it is 1 day and the minimum amount of time is for 15 minutes. Or also you can select the option until you turn this off, okay? And in that way you must to go in here again into Google Maps and unshare your location. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.